Have you ever entered the wrong value in Excel and you don't notice until you're a long way into your data? Hi guys, this is day 28 of our 30 days of Excel series, and today I'm teaching you about data validation in Excel. Data validation in Excel is simply a feature in Excel that helps you to control what you enter into a table, into a cell in Excel. Let me show you how to go about it. Suppose we have this table now. I want to impute the age that are allowed is from age 18 to age 60. Nothing more, nothing less. So we go to our data validation. We click on whole number. It must be a whole number. It cannot be 15 and a half. And then put minimum age is 18, maximum age is 60. Click OK. Now type an age. If you type 45 is okay. If you type 89 now, 89 is more than 60, so it won't work. Excel will detect it for you that there's an error and it won't work until you have to keep retrying until you put an age that's within the limits set by the data validation tool. Let me show you another example. Suppose we have the employee and their department. You don't want to get the departments wrong. Mostly when you're working with pivot table, when you're working doing analysis, you notice that you might have the same department, maybe finance, but it won't categorize it under the same this thing, maybe because of different spelling or different case of letters. So data validation tool just helps you be able to limit that mistakes. So go to your data validation. Here, instead of clicking whole number like we did before, we're going to click on lists. Your source. This is your source. You can type it manually. You can type the department like HR manually, or you can just refer it to a cell. So instead of typing, let's just refer it to this cell and then click OK. Now if you go to your cells, you can see this arrow. For list, you can select one and put it. You can't type another thing that's not there. It won't work. This is another way of using. Let me show you another way of using data validation. You can use it for dates. To restrict dates, you're allowed to put in a cell. Let me just quickly show you how to do it. Suppose we want to say the dates that we are allowed to put here is from maybe 1st of January 2025 to 1st of January 2026. So I hope that was clear and we're able to all understand. Now let's go to another use of data validation. Suppose you have student ID and maybe the student ID is limited to 4 digits. It can't be more than that, it can't be less than that. If more than that is an error, if less than that is an error. So we can use data validation to limit the number of things you can put. Use text length, and then you can either put maybe equal to or between, but let's pick equal to. We say it must be 4, it can't be less than 4 or more than 4 digits. So type digits. If it's more than that, show your error code. It has to be either 4 at the dot. It can't be more, it can't be less. Let me show you one other feature you can use with data validation, which is to impute message. This impute message, basically it's a pop-up that will tell you what to put in the cell. Like it tell you maybe enter age or enter name or enter this thing there. It just tells you what it recommends you to put in the cell. Note that this feature doesn't stop you, doesn't restrict what you can put. It just helps you, help give the audience or give whoever is dealing with the sheet an idea of what you want them to put there. It doesn't stop them. If they make an error, it doesn't restrict them from making errors on its own. So they can make errors, but the idea is just that it just helps them to see what they're meant to do. Example, on this enter age, you can see now. If you come here, you can see enter age. You can say, okay, yeah, I'm meant to enter my age here, and you see the must be between 18 and 60. And say, okay, it must be 18 and 60 to help them choose an age that is between 18 and 60, nothing more, nothing less. As simple as that. And if you click out of the cell and go back, it still be there. Another feature in data validation is the error alert. Error alert just basically shows you a message that what you typed is an error there. Let me show you how to go about it. Select where you want to put whole number. Let's say you want to put a number between 1 to 50. I say, okay, 1 to 50. Then error alert, what should we do when the number is more than 50 or less than 1? You want to stop it, you can put stop, you can put warning, you can put information. Stop will stop it completely. Warning, to put a warning will pop up, but you can override the warning. So when the number is more than 50, what should you do? You should stop it, and then it should show us that there's an invalid number. Show us this message that we're typing in now. That's this message to display for us if there's an error in what we type in. We are done. So let's type in a number 56, for instance. Type another C to pop up. Enter another number. So you have to enter a number that fits our description. So let me show you another example. This one will use warning instead of using stop. We use stop before. Let me show you how to go about using warning. Like I said, one will pop up a warning, but you can override this warning. This will be all for today, guys. I hope this was easy to understand. If you have any question, please ask in the comments, and like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.